Hello teachers! Welcome to the Viksit Bharat Buildathon. In this video, we will see how a teacher can register and log in to the portal. To register, open the internet browser and click on the link mentioned in the description, which will redirect you to the home page of the website. On the website you have two options, register and login. As you are trying to register, click on register. This will redirect to the registration page. Enter your 11-digit school UDICE code. If you are unaware of your UDICE code, please inquire with your school's HM, principal, or administrator for the details. You can also get the details from Know Your School at udiceplus.gov.in. Enter the UDICE code and agree to the terms and privacy policy to proceed. Next, you have to provide your school information. If you have entered the right UDICE code, fields named, state, district, and school name will be auto-populated. If you have entered the wrong UDICE code, these fields will not be auto-populated. So, make sure to enter the correct UDICE code. Now, enter the other school-related information in the fields that are empty. Click on Proceed to continue further. Now, provide the teacher details. Enter your active email ID. Remember that you will be receiving an OTP to this email ID to verify your account. Mention your active WhatsApp number where we can reach out to you in case of any queries or support. Note that your password is system generated and will be the first part of your email ID, that is, before the @ symbol. Click on Send OTP. You will receive an OTP to the provided email ID. Once the OTP is entered, you've successfully completed the teacher or school registration. Take a screenshot or note down the login ID and password displayed on the screen. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered email ID with all the teacher registration details for future reference. Now let's see how to log in. To log in, go to the landing page and follow these steps. Click on the Login button. You will be asked to choose whether to log in as a teacher or a student. Please select Teacher. Now enter the login details. Enter the login ID and password that you've received during the registration process. Click on Remember Me to make future logins easier. Click on the Sign In button to enter the teacher portal. We are delighted to inform that you have signed up for this program and joined us on this journey of nurturing problem solving and innovation in youth. As a guide teacher, you will play a crucial role in supporting your students throughout the course. This portal provides various information modules and resources to assist you and your students on this exciting journey. We hope you and the students will have a fantastic experience with this program. If you have any questions, please refer to our FAQ section or contact our support team. We wish you all the best. Thank you for registering. Let's innovate and make a difference together.